In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Apple Gift Card on a website and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking all of the methods in which you will be able to redeem an Apple Gift Card and if you can do it directly through a website. So, to get this done, what you have to do is visit this page here. And if you look for how to redeem your Apple Gift Card, App Store card, or App Store and iTunes gift card, you will be redirected here. Now, you will see this button available in the middle of the screen, Redeem Your Gift Card. However, if you click this, it is going to redirect you to this page and it's going to attempt to open the Mac App Store. So, if you want to do it through a website, this won't work because you will need to open the Mac App Store. So, is there another website that you can visit? You will notice that by scrolling down, they are going to teach you how to do it with the App Vision Pro. They are going to talk about doing it inside of the App Store and then doing it inside of Apple Music or Apple TV. Clearly, there is no mention of a website, and sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, you must use one of these methods. It seems like there's no option to go to a specific website to redeem your Apple gift card. You must do it inside of an Apple service, so Apple TV, Apple Music, or an Apple device. If you click on this button and you are indeed redirected to the Mac App Store, this is what it looks like, and you will notice that at the top of the screen you will find Redeem Gift Card, so it's as simple as choosing this option here. If you want to redeem it but you are on a Windows PC, then you have to follow the instructions listed here. Open Apple Music or Apple TV, click on your name, and then the redeem option is going to be available. But doing it purely on a website seems to be impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using an Apple gift card and how it must be done in a specific way, either through an Apple device or an Apple service like Apple TV or Apple Music. If this video helped you or solved any doubts that you had on how to use Apple gift card on a website, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.